Hey everyone, welcome back to Super Cool Kids Toys. Today we're super excited to open up this Thomas & Friends Twist-n-Turn Minis Stunt Set. We've also got some Thomas & Friends mini blind bags to open as well. This looks like it's going to be a lot of fun, so let's get started. Let's start by opening up these blind bags. With over 70 different minis to collect, I'm excited to see which ones we get. Alright, the first one that we got is a Robo version of Henry. He looks like a really cool robot. Alright, let's open up the next one. We got a spooky Diesel 10, and he kind of reminds me of Frankenstein. We've got another spooky one. This one is Porter. He's got bats all over him and he's dressed like Dracula. Alright, just two more to open. Next up, we've got an old school one. This is Salty. Alright, last one. And finally, we've got Diesel. Alright, let's take another look at all of our new minis. Be sure to let us know in the comments which one was your favorite. Next, let's open up the track set. Here's a closer look at the front of the box. And here's a look at the back. This thing looks awesome. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Here's a look at all the pieces out of the box. This set also includes Percy. Alright, let's get this thing put together. Alright, and here's the Twist-n-Turn Stunt Set all put together. And now for the fun part. You can flip this switch to change the track's direction. Alright, well this set was a lot of fun. If you liked our video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.